As we all know, logistics is becoming an important link in the economy, an indispensable activity in circulation, production, and distribution, and is considered one of the high potential service industry with rapid development, international integration, and high economy. After joining the WTO, Vietnam logistics service industry is currently ranked at 53 out of 155 countries with a good growth rate, an average of 20 to 25% per year. However, compared to other countries in the region, Vietnam logistics industry is actually facing some difficulties, such as infrastructure and logistics equipment, logistic costs, transportation time and related issues related to procedures, competition problems in the logistics service area, poor logistics network, and finally, difficulties from human resources serving this service industry. Now, the information from the Institute of Logistics Research and Development said that in the next 3 years, on average, the logistics service businesses need 18,000 more employees. Production, trade, and service businesses need more than 1 million employees, as well as logistics expertise. This is a hot developing industry. The demand for human resources for professional training, meeting international practice standards, is currently in serious shortage. The supply of labor for the logistics industry can only meet about 40% in demand, while the average growth rate of the logistics industry each year increases by 20 to 25%. Besides, human resources are both lacking and weak. Therefore, it is urgent and necessary to research solutions to develop human resources for logistics enterprises.
This study is aimed at the following objectives: assessing the current situation of human resource development of Kintetsu World Express Vietnam Company to find out strengths, weaknesses, existing problems, and causes of shortcomings in human resource development of the limited company Kintetsu World Express Vietnam. Provide solutions to develop human resources for Kintetsu World Express Vietnam Company from 2023 to 2025. The research scope: Kintetsu World Express Vietnam Company. The research object: human resource development of Kintetsu World Express Vietnam Company. The quantitative method: on the basis of data collection from Kintetsu World Express Vietnam Company, HR department, the thesis conduct an analysis and assessment of the current situation, identifies strengths and weaknesses of human resource development of the company. The quantitative method: survey and collect opinions of management of Kintetsu World Express Vietnam Company on professional expertise, skill, physical strength, attitude of company employees, and also conduct an observational survey scores of company employees.
Hello judges, my name is Phan Vu. I represent the team Human Resources Development of International Logistics Company in Vietnam. Today I will present the result of our research. After research about strengths, weaknesses, and existing problem of shortcoming in human resource development of the company Kintetsu World Express Vietnam, we are going to provide some solution to develop human resources for this logistic enterprise. Firstly, we suggest establishing a human resource development department. The company needs to pay attention and invest properly in human resource development. In addition to properly allocating costs to human resource development activities, the company needs to establish a department specializing in human resource development directly under the human resource department. The next one, we offer the solutions to improve workload responsiveness. According to the human resource development orientation, the company must improve its ability to meet the workload, including human resource development in terms of quantity and quality. And to achieve this, the thesis proposes solutions to improve the ability to meet the workload through building a recruitment roadmap, building job description, and building a framework for training and evaluation programs. Specifically, we go to build a recruitment route. Recruitment should be specifically planned and reflected in the operating budget for the respective year. The number of annual recruitment rounds and the number of employees recruited in each batch and number of employees correspond to training capacity of the company at each time and the required training time for each recruitment. With active training on the company's job, new employees do not need to attend full-time intensive training. This method increases the company's ability to respond to training, but it is difficult to control the quality of training. To solve this problem, in order to reduce recruitment pressure and increase the effectiveness of training quality control, we recommend implementing recruitment 4 times a year at the beginning of each quarter instead of recruiting scattered throughout the month of the year. The centralized recruitment planning on the quarterly basis also allows the company to use the administrative staff more effectively. The next one is building job description. To develop human resources effectively, the company needs to build detailed and specific job description for all positions in the company. The job description is the basis for providing information for the company in recruiting, training, and evaluating job performance. The job description develops recruitment standards for each position, so it can be used as a tool to ensure the quality of the company's input. The author recommends a detailed description as in the career development orientation for employees. Developing a framework for training and assessment programs is the last thing I want to say. Training plays an important role for the success of the business. When the company is on the rise, wants to increase sales, create added value for customers, and build a team of high-quality human resources to meet this company's development needs, training can be a solution. Moreover, orientation for career development for employees may be a solution. Developing a career development program for employees aims to strengthen the company structure and employees develop oriented towards that structure. The career development program also creates opportunities for employees to recognize and seize opportunities within the company, build a development path for themselves, and thereby develop themselves. When the company's internal human resources have a development orientation according to the designed structure of the company, each individual is aiming to improve themselves to advance. The quality of human resource of the wide company will be improved. That's all I want to say about result. The next part is conclusion.
The logistics service sector has always been a component in the supply chain management of international trade and is increasingly playing an increasingly important role in national economic development in the process of integration with the global economy. In recent years, the fast development of the logistics service sector in Vietnam poses a great challenge for business and employees in the process of integrating to the global playing field. Since then, thousands of job opportunities in the logistics industry are opening, but also place requirements on the quality of industry human resources. A good and quality human resource will be the premise for the strong development of logistics enterprise in Vietnam. Therefore, effective human resource development will contribute to the success of Kedesur World Express in this service industry. With the state research objectives, the research, analysis, evaluation, and synthesis. The project, the author clarified a number of theoretical and practical issues on human resources development at Kedesur World Express Vietnam to 2025 as follows. On the basis of the basic theory of human resources and human resource development, the thesis has drawn the concept of human resource development, and the human resources and human resource development content. The topic analyzed the current situation of human resource development at KWE, including human resource development activities, and evaluated the achieved results. Human resource development solution at Kedesur World Express has been proposed along with some recommendations to the state and global KWE cooperation. Thanks.